Karnataka High Court has granted and protection for Twitter MD Manish Maheshwari on the notice issued by the UP police. In fact, the petition was filed by Manish Maheshwari before the Karnataka High Court, saying that he is a resident of Karnataka High Court and he has received a notice from the UP police under Section 41A of CRPC, which in effect makes him as an accused in this particular case. And that's why he moved the Karnataka High Court seeking a stay of this particular notice that has been issued by the UP police. When the matter was taken up for the hearing by the Karnataka High Court, the counsel appearing for UP police objected to this particular application, saying that this particular petition could not have been filed in Karnataka because the FIR has been registered in Ghaziabad. He could have moved only the Allahabad High Court. He could not have moved the Karnataka High Court. So that was a preliminary objection by the UP police, and UP police said that they are ready to accept the notice on this particular matter, but they are placing a preliminary objection on this particular case. But the court went on to hear the argument of the senior counsel appearing for Manish Maheshwari. Manish Maheshwari's counsel made two very important arguments. First argument saying that on June 18th, he was issued a notice under Section 160 CRPC, which is a notice issued for a witness. When that particular notice was issued to him, the very next day, Manish Maheshwari responded to that particular notice, saying that because he is in Bangalore, he cannot come all the way to Ghaziabad. He is ready to appear via online. The moment he sent this particular response to the 160 CRPC notice, which is a witness notice, the UP police sent another notice to him under Section 41A of CRPC, which is a notice for the accused. So that's when Manish Maheshwari brought to the court notice saying that now I have been construed as an accused in this particular case, and that's why I'm seeking an interim relief in this particular matter. Again, placing an argument on the merits of the case, he said that few accused number 127 in this particular FIR, uploaded some controversial, some objectionable video on the platform of Twitter, whereas he is not the in charge of the entire day-to-day affairs of the Twitter, and therefore he cannot be construed as an accused in this particular matter. So that was the argument he put forth on the merit side also. Even there also, UP counsel vehemently opposed it, saying that this particular petition cannot be entertained by the High Court, when the senior counsel appearing for Maheshwari said that they are seeking an interim protection from the court because the notice has been issued under 41A CRPC that can also result in arrest of Maheshwari. That's when the court said that no coercive action can be taken against Maheshwari till the next date of hearing. The matter will be again heard on 29th June. So that's when the High Court has said that no coercive action. That means Maheshwari cannot be arrested by the UP police, and the matter will be heard in detail by the Karnataka High Court on June 29th. So UP police again objected, saying that here it means that the court is granting him anticipatory bail in this particular matter, whereas he has not filed an anticipatory bail plea. That's when the court said that the matter has been filed, the petition has been filed under Section 226, Article 226, wherein the High Court has enormous powers under Section 226, and that's when the High Court is granting him protection from arrest till the next date of hearing. The matter will again be heard on June 29th.
Thanks very much, Arvind, for joining us with those details. So no immediate arrest for the Twitter MD India. This is a ruling by the Karnataka High Court, a back and forth between the UP Government Council and his legal representatives. This is what has been decided at this stage. It comes amidst this huge battle between the centre and the social media giant Twitter, particularly on the basis of a couple of images or videos which had actually emerged of a man in Ghazipur in Uttar Pradesh, and several allegations around a series of tweets on him.